Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
My dear boy, I therefore wish all good fortune for you. You should go to the bank of the Yamuna, where there is a virtuous forest named Madhuvan, and there be purified. Just by going there, one draws nearer to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who always lives there. Both Narad Muni and Suniti, the mother of Dhruv Maharaj, advised Dhruv Maharaj to worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Now, Narad Muni is especially giving him directions how this worship of the Supreme Person can very quickly fructify. He recommends that Dhruv Maharaj go to the bank of the Yamuna, where there is a forest of the name Madhuvan, and begin his meditation and worship there. Places of pilgrimage yield a special advantage for a devotee in quickly advancing his spiritual life. Lord Krishna lives everywhere, but still it is very easy to approach him in holy places of pilgrimage, because these places are inhabited by great sages. Lord Sri Krishna says that he lives wherever his devotees are chanting the glories of his transcendental activities. There are many places of pilgrimage in India, and especially prominent are Bharadvaka, Rameshwar, and Jagannath Puri. These sacred places are called the four Dhammas. Dhamma refers to a place where one can immediately contact the Supreme Lord. To go to Badari Narayan, one has to pass through Hardwar on the path to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Similarly, there are other holy places of pilgrimage, such as Prayag, Allahabad, and Mathura, and the topmost of them all is Vrindavan. Unless one is very advanced in spiritual life, it is recommended that he live in such holy places and execute devotional service there. But an advanced devotee like Narada Muni, who is engaged in preaching work, can serve the Supreme Lord anywhere. Sometimes he even goes to the hellish planets. Hellish conditions do not affect Narad Muni because he is engaged in greatly responsible activities in devotional service. According to the statement of Narad Muni, Madhuvan, which is still existing in the Vrindavan area, in the district of Mathura, is a most sacred place. Many saintly persons still live there and engage in the devotional service of the Lord. There are 12 forests in the area of Vrindavan, and Madhuvan is one of them. Pilgrims from all parts of India assemble together and visit all 12 of these forests. There are 5 forests on the eastern bank of the Yamuna: Bhadravan, Bilvavan, Lauhavan, Bandiravan, and Mahavan. On the western side of the bank there are 7: Madhavan, Talavan, Kumudavan, Bahulavan, Kamyavana, Kadiravan, and Vrindavan. In those 12 forests there are different ghatas, or bathing places. They are listed as follows: Avimukta, Adhirutha, Guyatirtha, Prayagatirtha, Kanakala, Tinduka Tirtha, Surya Tirtha, Vatasvami, Dhruv Ghat. Dhruv Ghat, where there are many nice trees of fruits and flowers, is famous because Dhruv Maharaj meditated and underwent severe penances and austerities there in an elevated spot. Ishi Tirtha, Moksha Tirtha, Buddha Tirtha. Gokarna, Krishna Ganga, Vaikuntha, Asikunda, Katu Samudrika Kupa, Akrura Tirtha. When Krishna and Balaram were going to Mathura in the chariot driven by Akrura, all of them took baths in this gata: Yajika Viprasthana, Kubja Kupa, Rangasthala, Malayutasthana, and Dashashvamedha.